Today we'll be talking about the gender of nouns, professions, occupations, and nationalities. The names of professions, occupations, and nationalities may differ in masculine and feminine gender, or they may be the same. Normally we add the ending "in" to turn a masculine form into its feminine counterpart. Like here, der Koch, die Köchin, cook, male cook, female cook. Sometimes there's an umlaut too, like here. Der Lehrer, die Lehrerin, male teacher, female teacher. Sometimes the ending Mann is replaced by Frau. Der Kaufmann, die Kauffrau, merchant or businessman, male and female, businesswoman. Der Amtmann, die Amtfrau, senior civil servant, again male and female. The masculine form is usually used in general sense, for either sex. It's also sometimes used if we want to emphasize the profession itself, or for professions that used to be predominantly or exclusively male. Sie ist Ingenieur. She's an engineer. Sie ist Informatiker. She's a computer scientist. The masculine form is often used if there's another feminine word that makes it clear that we're talking about a woman. Frau Professor Ilse Meyer. We do, however, use the feminine form if we feel it's more relevant in a context. Die neue Lehrerin ist sehr streng. The new teacher is very strict. We know we're talking about a woman. We also use the feminine form if we refer to a female mentioned before. Marie und Frieda sind Lehrerinnen. Marie and Frieda are teachers. Some nouns do not have feminine forms. Then the masculine form is used. Sie war unser Gast. She was our guest. Der Teenager war schwanger. The teenager was pregnant. In plural, if there are people of both sexes, you can use the masculine form. Alle Studenten warten auf die Vorlesung. Or you can use both forms. Alle Studenten und Studentinnen warten auf die Vorlesung. All the students are waiting for the lecture. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.